Hello there. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is very interesting because we are going to see how you can use free illustrations for your project. So if you're a content creator, web developer, or a graphic designer, and if you're looking for illustrations, you can get free illustration. Yes, really free illustration for your next project. I'll discuss few sites and you can explore those sites to fulfill your imagination. All right. So the first in the list is called Blush. So you can improve your design skill being generating stunning professional looking composition for your projects. This app offers high quality, one of a kind and nearly limitless combinations, right? So let's explore what it is. So this is how the Blush website looks like. And it is free, but you can try the pro version as well. So let's see what is the pricing for it first. So you see, it doesn't show here, but I'll show at the end what is the price for this blush. So let's start here, like create random. Let's see what it says. Wow, that's pretty cool. So what you can do several things here. So this is a default one. And if you want to change the background, so if you want to change like here, just click it, it'll change the background. That's pretty cool. Or maybe this, let's see. Yeah, that's fine. And color, maybe I can change the color here. Oh, no, that's pretty. Uh, I think that's better. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So now you can do several other things, like for example, sin, like sitting. So you can change that one. For example, the position, like cross legs. That's pretty cool. Or something like this. Let's see. Yeah, that's cool. You can change the color of the hair and the face as well. So this is the one if you want to. Wow, so funny. But anyway, the thing is, you can create quite a lot. So you can explore your imagination and you can create stunning illustrations, right? And they're absolutely free. And what you need to do, just go here, click and download. You can download different ways like small PNG, medium, large, and even like vector graphics. So I mentioned earlier, like we can see what is a price. So let's go down, down, down. Is there pricing? Yes. So the pricing plan. So it's a doodler plan, so it's completely free, no credit card required, no trial period, unlimited downloads. You can change anything, whatever you want, and you can download it. But it has a pro version as well. So, but it's slightly expensive. But if you are available to afford, I think that's okay as well. So yeah, it's an awesome site. You can do quite a lot of things with this blush. The second one in the list is called IRA Design, and this is the website, so iradesign.io. And this is kind of a like a hand-drawn character, so you can choose different hand-drawn characters, and you can ready to use as a feature. So feature like the gradient component with additional blocks from the user interface. And you can use this one for creating mobile application or for your website graphics. And that's pretty handy. I sometimes use this one and just see like what it looks like, right? So how you can just go to the gallery, uh, see here. So for example, if I want to choose, I don't know, so this one, or maybe this one. So you can easily download that one right here. But here, what they mention here, the crediting isn't required, but I would suggest that you should give the credit to the people like who actually designed this and giving you to download, giving an opportunity to download the one of a kind of the illustration. So it's better to give some sort of like a credit to them. So just yeah, put this anchoring text into your website or wherever you are publishing. So, and I think you can change the thing. So for example, if I go here, go to the character, right? And let's see, can I change? Oh, I think we can change that one. Oh, here, yeah. So there are several, yeah. So you can change the different color, like with the gradient one. And this is quite nice. A trouser, you can change in a different color. T-shirt, you can change as well, and the hair color as well. So that's pretty cool. And to change everything in one go, and you can download it, right? So that's pretty cool, I think. So let's go to the next one. The next in the list is called a storyset.com, and that is pretty unique. So the name says it all. So what you can do, you can, like create a story. You can create a concept of your presentation. You can make a landing page out of it, and different kind of application you can make from the StorySet website. So what you need to do, basically, you need to choose your own style and share your story in your own way. The interesting part is you can use animation and you can bring your own ideas into life. So I'll show you like how you can do that one. So just select any of these, maybe probably I'll just select this and let's see. So first thing, you can change the background. If you don't like the background, you can change it. So like that, that's pretty cool. So you can easily change that one. And you can change the any other style like this, or just stick with this one. And as I mentioned, like the character, so you can just highlight, or you can turn it off, like so. Maybe, yeah, putting the plant, I think looks better. So the interesting part is you can animate it. So just click here and let's see the character. So what you can do, so let's see, say randomize. That's pretty cool. So this is how it works. So you can see like different kind of animation has been set here. So, and if you want to change, you can change them all. Just reset and try to do it by like whatever you want to do with it. All right. And as I mentioned, like you can easily export that one to either PNG or like export as the GIF animation. And you can easily uh, import it into your website or any other, like to your platform, like where you want to show your story or tell your story. But one thing you need to be aware of, that it is recommended that by StorySet that if you put any illustrations from their side, you need to put into like you need to give a credit. So in either way, just put down below the picture or anywhere in the website you mention about the storyset.com. So that's what you need to be aware of. So next in the list is called illustrations.co. So this is an open source illustrations kit, and this is created by a guy called Vijay Verma. So I think that's he did really, really well. So and you see, like you can easily go and download different kind of illustration as a SVG or PNG format. So I think that's pretty cool. And so you can, this is free to download, and you can use this one for your, uh, like commercial or personal use. So that's pretty awesome, I think. The next in the list is called isometric.online. So this is again another person called Sergey, and he developed this one. And I think that's pretty cool. So it gives you like collection of free, pretty, like SVG isometric graphics that you can use in your website, apps, or any other project, and you can download it free, completely free again. So this is an MIT license, so you can use this illustration for your personal or commercial use. So let's see what is here. So for example, data security. So you just go here and just download it, and that's pretty much it. So I think that's pretty cool, isn't it? And there's quite a lot of variety here. So I'll just close this one. That's pretty cool. So there's quite a lot of collections. So, and you can use all of them just free. I think that's pretty cool. So the next one in the list is called openpips.com, and it gives you a hand-drawn library that works like a building blocks, basically. So you can make like a vector arm, legs, and emotions, and you can combine these elements to make a distinct pips or modifying like clothing or hairstyle and add flair. So you can do quite a lot of thing here. So so you can use, again, like you can use this one for your own project, for product illustrations, making graphics and comics. So different kind of things like user flows, persona, storyboarding, quite a lot, like whatever you can think of. So this is again like the license places in the library of the public domain. So it's a CC0 license. So you need to, again, like you can use, as it mentioned here, uh, for free and commercial use. And so free for commercial and personal use, sorry. And again, that we should thank you, that guy like Pablo Stanley. But other thing is that like you can even like integrate OpenPips with Blush, so you can import character from here to the Blush and do other things as well. So that, I think that's pretty cool. So if you're really interested with the graphics or illustrations, I think you can use this the OpenPips as well. So yeah, so that's pretty cool. And here are some showcases here. So yeah, interesting, isn't it? So maybe I'll see next time in your project you're using OpenPips. And this is the last but not the least. So this is called Undraw. So undraw.co. And this is created by Katerina Limpitsoni to improve the design of your website product. So you can, again, like use it as a different kind of images, right? So like the minimal image, SVG, PNG, modern vectors. So let's see. So before that, like this is like, again, like open source license. So you can use this illustration in any project, like in the commercial, personal, without attribution. But in my opinion, it's better to give them the attribution or the credit so that they get motivated as well. So let's see what is there. So that's pretty cool again. So simple illustrations telling you a story. So let's engineering team. So you can just go and download as a SVG format or PNG format, right? So, and there are quite a lot. I like that page as well. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. And if you want to use this graphics, just go and download it, right? So, and use in your next project. So with that, I'll just say like happy illustrating. And if you like this one, just subscribe my channel and many more to come. So stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.